Cook the Book is back for this episode, and I've just been sent this lovely book, Crave, by Ed Smith. And Ed is a great food writer, and I flicked through the book and so many recipes popped out, and I would love to make so many of them. Obviously I can't. So I have chosen something sweet from this, and yeah, I can't wait to make this cheesecake. And I have seen many Basque cheesecake recipes. It's a Spanish inspired cheesecake, and it's become more and more popular over the years. And I love the look of it, and I really want to try it, and that's the reason I have chosen the honey Basque cheesecake. So the book I've chosen is Crave, which is the new book by Ed Smith, and it is a lovely book which is, as the name suggests, divided into chapters by the kind of craving you might be having. So it's got chapters like fresh and fragrant, tart and sour, chili heat, spiced and curried, rich and savory, cheese and creamy. So the recipe I've chosen is the honeyed Basque cheesecake, and it's the picture that's calling out to me, and I love a good cheesecake. So this is what we are baking today. First of all, I'm just going to grease a 8-inch round cake tin. Now the recipe asks for a spring from tin. I have got many cake tins, but an 8-inch round spring foam tin is something I don't have. So I'm just going to use a loose bottom tin and grease it with some butter. Now to line this, I'm going to cut a bit bigger than the tin. I'm going to do one more sheet from this side. Press it right in. So it's nicely lined, and it's got extra bits on the side because the cheesecake will rise up and then go back down. So this one is ready to move aside. So I'm going to start with 600 grams of cream cheese. Next goes in 120 grams of golden pasture sugar. And then I'm just going to beat this so it's all mixed up. Going to just use a paddle attachment and then just beat this for a couple of minutes till it's smooth. So this is lovely and creamy and smooth, and I've got 4 eggs. I'm going to add one at a time, add one and then whisk. And once that is mixed, I'm going to add the second one. And it's all mixed up, it's smooth. I'm going to move on to the next ingredient. Next, I'm going to add 300 ml of double cream to this, and a pinch of salt. And next I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoon of runny honey. And I'm just going to beat this for a minute. So it's been a minute, and I've just got 40 grams of plain flour. I'm just going to sieve the 40 grams of plain flour into this mix, and I'm just going to beat it for one last time so it is mixed well. About a minute on here again. Go straight into the prepared tin and into a really hot oven at 220°C for 40 to 45 minutes. I'm going to check it at 45 minutes. Just spread it and in it goes. I'm just gonna put this on a tray in case there's any leakage, and this goes in the oven. So the cheesecake has still gotten bubbles in the middle, which is absolutely fine. You don't want it set. I'm going to get this out, and you can see it's really high. It's still the top of the cake tin. The cake tin is this high and it's on till the top of it. The top is a bit burnt. That's exactly the name of the cheesecake, and it's still very wobbly. Now I'm just going to leave it alone for a few hours to completely cool down. Look at that. So the last time I showed you, the tin is this high and the cheesecake was this high. It's gone right down. It's completely cooled down. It's got this ripple effect, and I'm just going to get this out. So if I had chosen springform tin, now is the time that would have come in very handy. But as I mentioned earlier, I don't have that. I don't own a small, so I'm just going to use the loose bottom and bring it up and open this up. Oh, it smells amazing. Woohoo! Look at that. Look at those burnt bits. Amazing. Ooh, beautiful. And I'm not, ooh, cuts like butter. I'm not wasting any more time. I am going straight in. Once it's at room temperature, you don't need to chill it. Whoa. Wow. Amazing. Oh my God. Look at that texture. Amazing. It is baked to perfection. It's not overbaked, it's not runny, it's not too set, it's perfectly still gooey and wow, that is sensational. That is melt in your mouth. It doesn't seem very heavy at all. It's like cloud-like. Oh, I do hope you give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and let me know which is your favorite cheesecake in the comments below. And I will pick one and make that very soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I really love this. That's going to be gone in a second.